Hi friends of Vincenzo's Plate. Today I will show you how to make wine. Let's go! Today is harvest day. We are going to pick up our grapes to make wine, and it's a business matter, a family business matter, because all of us are involved in this business.
Ma che ci avevo parlato?
Also Saverio.
In questo modo?
Vieni qua, mo ti imparare una cosa, vieni qua. Tu metti la manina qui sotto, prendi questo. Bravo, questo.
Bravo, bravissimo.
Forza! Forza! Fatti vedere, alza le braccia. Oh.
And now we are going to put our grapes in the tank, which is down, okay? In our winery we have this little window which is on the street level and is made properly to put the grapes inside the tank. Okay, this is the way how the grapes goes into the tank, and the salts are separated from the grapes.
che c'ho?
L'uva.
No.
L'oretto. La ghiaccia.
Sia is cleaning our barrel with hot water and salt. The grape will rest in this tank for 3 or 4 days. Then the wine goes directly into the barrel. And the last part goes into the Torchio. The Torchio is a press machine. Then press the last part of the grapes to get last few wine. Okay. After 3 or 4 days, the wine goes from this faucet into this small pit. Then we pick up it from here and we put it into the barrel. We open the sink and put the mask in the small pit. From there we take the must and we pour it in the barrel when it will finish fermentation and become wine. Here magic happens. Then we take the peels of grapes and pass them in the machine for pressing. In Italiano is Torchio. So we take till the last drop of must. We leave the cap open for 40 days, then we put a little amount of wine to fill the barrel till the top. In spring, after 3-4 months, we are ready to taste it. Chin chin, cheers! Delicious! And now it's time to taste it. This is real Italian wine, real Italian taste.